Why men feel empty after 40. Let's talk about what no one warns you about. Many men reach their 40s and expecting stability, satisfaction, but they only find themselves grappling with a deep sense of emptiness and feeling as though satisfaction is going to elude them. This feeling often comes without warning, leaving us or them feeling confused and isolated. Understanding why this happens can help men to recognize these emotions and ways to address them. So that's the goal of this particular spot. Now, the unexpected void in midlife. Men often associate their 40s with career peaks, family responsibilities, personal achievements, yet many report feeling an unexpected void during these periods. This emptiness is not just about sadness or stress. It's a profound sense of something missing in their lives. Several factors contribute to this feeling. Unmet professional goals. By 40, men reflect on dreams that they haven't achieved. Then that leads to disappointment. Changing family dynamics. Children are growing up or leaving home, and that can create a sense of loss. Physical change. Aging brings a shift in energy in a person's health, in their appearance, and affects their self-image, as in how they see themselves. The other one is social isolation. Friends may dwindle due to having busy schedules, being busy as a whole, and or just life changes as a whole. This combination can create a sense of struggle, a silent struggle that few openly discuss. The roles of identity and purpose. A strong sense of identity and purpose is critical for emotional well-being. And many men, or should I say for many men, their identities are tied to their jobs, their provider role, or physical strength. When these aspects change or they feel less fulfilled, it can trigger emptiness. It can trigger a loss. For example, a man who spent a decade climbing the corporate ladder might feel lost after reaching a plateau or facing job uncertainty or job loss. Similarities are, there's a lot. And simultaneously, let's look at, like, say, a father whose children have become independent. That may make him question his role within the family. These kids are raised now, so what do I do? Finding new sources of purpose can help. So, exploring new hobbies or passions that bring joy or a challenge could be something that could be very helpful to you or them. The other thing is volunteering and or mentoring can create a sense of contribution. Reconnecting with old friends or building new social networks, because your old networks are fading away or they're no longer giving you what you originally needed when you first got them. So reconnecting with friends or new friends could be helpful if you find other things that you've always wanted to do and just never did it. Settling personal goals unrelated to work and or family. We all have different things that we want to do in our lives, and sometimes if we go ahead and take care of those things that weren't something that were work related or family related, that can help us to move forward. Another one is emotional expression and social expectations. Many men grow up with the message that encourages emotional openness. But most of the time, emotional openness is discouraged for a lot of people. Phrases like man up, as far as expressions, or don't show weakness, can make it difficult to express feelings or emptiness or vulnerabilities. This silence can deepen the sense of isolation for that particular man because he doesn't know how to express himself. He wasn't born